Hi, now we are going to see how to have one worksheet which can convert almost any units to any unit. Okay, so what we are having here is that conversion table here. I will explain to you what we have first, and then step by step I will explain to you how we can create this one and what is the formula I am using it. Okay, so what I have here is that for any unit, for example in this case degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, so I'm trying to convert how many Celsius. The Celsius value is here, and you will get the respective Fahrenheit here. For example, I put 7, then the Fahrenheit value is 44.6. Okay, so similarly any unit you can convert whichever you think of. Okay, so basically what I have here is the category. Then for category of units, because you cannot convert from one. If you are converting, for example you are converting distance unit, then distance units are more like you see here foot, inch, light year, everything. That's distance, meter and all. And if your unit is related to distance, then you must convert that one into the same category distance. Okay, so the first thing what you have is the category, so that whatever unit you want to convert the value what you have and into some other unit, right? That unit also um, must belong to the same category, otherwise you cannot convert. You will have a error. For example, in this case you cannot convert meter into Fahrenheit, right? So you must from the meter. Okay, I am going to convert that one into inch. Okay, so it is 7 meters or equal to 275 inches. So this is the table I have here. Okay, so not only distance, you can also have energy. So in energy what you have is that I have calorie or horsepower. Okay, similarly the same energy into, I want to convert that one into foot pound. Okay, so any energy units you can convert. So the value must enter it here, maybe 10 horsepower. Then you can get foot pound is 90 198 00 and 000. Okay, similarly let's go to the information. I have 8 bits. Okay, how many bytes? The same information you can also have how many bytes. It is only 1 byte. Okay, similarly the information. So I have different categories. For example, time, it's an interesting one. You have, we always have how many days. I have 1 day. How many 1 day is how many hours? Okay, 24 hours. So there are multiple categories I have inbuilt in this worksheet, so that from here you can convert any unit to any unit. Okay, so this one worksheet will help you to keep it and convert units to unit. And similarly for volume you have uh, okay, cubic inch. 1 cubic inch of volume equal to what is the other volume. Okay, so volume of cubic meter. Okay, this is the value. Okay, so similarly you have lot of categories, and lot of units are given here. So you almost now familiar with in my worksheet what is category and the unit. So whatever category and the unit you have must be, you must put the value here, then you will get the respective value in the next into column cell. Okay, probably I will make this one as some other color, so that okay, this is the output. Okay, so now you understood what is category and unit. Now I want to want you to understand the prefix. What is prefix? For example, I have time. Okay, in that time I have hour. Okay, I have 1 hour. So in the same time I have 1 hour is how many, 1 hour is how many seconds? Okay, 3600 seconds. Okay, so 1 hour how many seconds? But same time you also have other prefix is available, which is I want in seconds, but I also want that to be that to be considered as milliseconds, how many milliseconds. So this one is a prefix. So and also you have okay, instead of milliseconds I want to see microseconds. Okay, this is the microseconds. So this way the prefix helps you for this the seconds, milliseconds. The general unit will come here, the milliseconds, microseconds, nanoseconds all will come here. Similarly, for example, I want to convert the distance. Okay, in the distance I have okay, meter, right? So 1 meter is same distance formula. Okay, distance. Okay, I don't want anything here first. Okay, I want the meter. So meter, 1 meter is 1 meter, but now I want to see the centimeter, then it's a prefix. Okay, so centimeter is nothing but 100 centimeters, so 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So there is a prefix also involved here to convert those tables with the prefix. Okay, the units are there, but you want to consider the general unit to millimeter, centimeter, decimeter. Okay, it will be in the prefix. So main unit is meter, but the centi, milli is the prefix. For example, I also see okay, I go to kilometer. Okay, 1 kilometer how many centimeter? Okay, or 1 kilometer how many decimeter, or 1 decimeter, 1 decameter how many hexameter. So similarly the prefix also coming to picture here to play a major role to convert the units. Not only just the general unit, you can also have a different unit. For example, similarly I will give one more example in the information. In the information part I have okay, for the information I have byte. Okay, so information of 1 byte is equal to okay, how many byte? Bit is 8 bits. Okay, byte is 1 byte. So now I want to convert prefix is, the general unit is byte, but now the prefix is how much is the gigabyte. 1 gigabyte equal to byte, you see, or how much is the gigabyte equal to kb, kilobyte, or how much is the kilobyte equal to megabyte, or just byte 1024. So all the conversion in one sheet, all you need to have is only one sheet, and this will help you to convert everything, all the units. Okay, not only you can see the categories: area, distance, energy, force, information, magnetism, uh, power, pressure, speed, volume, weight, even the weight. You can see the weight of kilogram, 1 kilogram equal to, see the categories are different, then you'll get error. You must get the same category. Kilogram equal to how many gram? 1000 gram, or I say centigram. See, 100,000 centigram. So this sheet which we created, so you can just download it. I will give you the Google link, drive link, so that you can download it and use it. Okay, now the interesting part is how I created this sheet and what is the formula behind it. Okay, basically for calculating I am using the formula convert. Okay, the convert, I will explain to you what is convert formula, then I will also show you how I created um, this this sheet. Okay, so how you can also create if you are interested, or you are just interested in getting the convert, then you just get the values to be converted, then you can just get the convert and download it and use it. Probably I just put this video just to, you to just to use it, and to convert it, but I will also put another video with the explanation, okay, as a part 2 video that will help you to go through it, and how we can convert this sheet. Okay, so for this you can download it and use it and play around it, and get all the units to be converted. Okay, then I will also go to the other video to explain to you how to convert this weights and other things to another in the same category. What is the other unit, how we can form this thing, the whole thing, and play around with. Okay, and how I used, what are the formulas used, how these codes to be taken, and what is convert formula, and everything we will work on it. Okay, thank you, God bless you.